mine represents that in life, dapat i-treasure mo gid ang mga bagay kag mga tawo nag-add value kagapasadya kanimo in the future. Be happy always. God bless. Happy birthday, Liwat!
Yes, thank you for singing. Stephanie Ojero.
Happy birthday, Pao. May your 18th birthday bring you lessons, opportunities, and joy. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Okay, sa atin ng mga giver ka treasure, no pressure ako nga mag-greet ka mo or hindi.
Yung pag-give represents your recharge. Kung nakatoy ka sa life, stay, approach that family, friends, and recharge. Hambala ka bang left mo, kamatigid kami tanan. And this will guide you through your battles, especially ma-enter ka na sa college, and your chosen career is very good like it. Happy birthday, Pa. Love you.
Hello, Pao. Happy birthday. Remember, you're now old enough to make your own decisions. So, manan mo din nga dyan ako for me. Iswila mo yan. Kita-kita lang sa school. Happy birthday. Thank you, Tia. Ready, let's join us. Ready, join us.
Happy birthday, Pao. Wishing all the best, man mo naling karang una imawagit ta. Pwes do karon nga do gaway.
Okay, she knows what to mean. Okay, so muna request ko lang ang ating mga treasures na mag-stay na di para karon sa sa group picture. Diyan lang sa my side. Okay, next.
Happy birthday, Kapit. Enjoy your day.
Thank you kay sa na kinangan takaw dyan ka para ka na akong thank you sa friendship. I know isa nagasunggudan ay tapos ay ataman lagi. Happy birthday, Liwat.
Thank you, Angel. Sheila Quinn. Please Sheila Quinn. Prepare ako para in-line doon mo. Ana Merel, Father Bal, Nieva Joy, Dako daw. Nandito ka mo dyan, tindag lang kami dyan, parang klase.
Happy birthday, Pao. As you step in the spotlight of legality, so please always remember that this is a reflection of how beautiful and strong individual you are. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Sheila. Ana Merel, Ulator.
Hi, Ate. Hi, Ate Pao. Makutigo, anay ko di. Nandaan ko dila para kanino. Happy 18th birthday, Te. It's been a fantastic year and I'm so excited for all the great things to come in your life. You deserve the world and everything it has to offer. And I hope your birthday is filled with as much love and joy as you've given me over the years. You're the best friend anyone could ask for because you're intelligent, funny, and kind. You inspire me to be a better person every day. You've always been there for me, and I'm so grateful for that. Whether through a good time or rough one, you've shown me what a true friend looks like, and I hope we can keep going being friends forever. Good luck sa journey mo, May. College ka doon. Kag Lula Boy. I love you. Happy birthday, Liwat.
Good evening, Charlotte. So, happy 18th birthday, babe. Wish ko lang mo. Kabuot, kagali man ako, tig-akagilit bagol, lagi masaway. Best wishes lang kanimo kag halong ng permit. Wala na, I love you.
Charlotte Jabanto, followed by Pearl Luis Magbanua. Pearl Luis Magbanua.
Happy 18th birthday, Paulita. I just want to tell you how thankful I am for having you as my friend. I wish you to be able to live your life to the fullest. I hope you reach what your heart truly desires. Please know that I'm always here whenever you need me. Bisan hindi mo ako need. I know there are things that you're going through, hindi mo gusto nga makabalo. But always know that I am a willing shoulder to cry on. All you have to do is to call me. Kay ma-college na ta. Blind pa tangadani universities. And this gift I am giving you is a representation of our friendship na kung ma-miss mo ko pwede mo na magamit. Thank you.
Thank you, Charlotte. For Luis Magbanwa. Followed by Leah Marie Bitge.
So, welcome again to Legality with Paulita. You're known to be the most playful and intellectually curious among us. I wonder why. Take a guess. Because you're a Gemini. You're constantly juggling a variety of passions, hobbies, careers, and friend groups. They are the social butterfly. Grabe ka nung mga friends. And so, biskan wala di si tatay, si kaduwa, daman kami ni Sherlock. Always para kanimo. And I wish this year for you should be happy. Be happy always. Always find the moment to be happy. I know nga daw, down dun permi. Down ka dun permi, pero tandaan mo lang always na diyan kami, mamapit kanimo. Hindi nga tagoon. Kaya kalain dun na tago. Masakit. So I wish you to be happy always. Okay? Ha? I love you.
Thank you, Charlotte. For Luis Magbanwa. Followed by Leah Marie Bitge. And followed by Hans Jovel Padernal.
Welcome to Legality and happy birthday. May this new chapter of yours be filled with possibilities, joy, success, and more opportunities. And wishing you all the best. Like, keyboard lang, hindi ko keyboard lang higad si nanay mo, si tatay mo, wala kami sa balay mo, kagalit kuya kami sa boarding. Keyboard lang ako may kapanawag sa si Paula. Hindi na nakapagpaibi, wala, gusto nila to. May ako pa, so, kaya nila na happy birthday, all of you.
Thank you, Leah. Hans Jovel Padernal. Followed by Chloe Ann de los Reyes.
Hello.
That's what your name symbolizes. We may take different paths in the future.
So this gift symbolizes softness and comfort, like what I have felt when I'm with you. Love you, Pao. Hope to have more memories with you.
Thank you. Followed by Stephanie Derla.
You comfort, and just like your jolliness, it will spread.
Number but not the least, Miss Precious Parcon.
So, hi Paula. I would like to start my speech by saying I wish you a happy birthday.
For babies, that happy birthday, Paulita. We love you.
Precious Parcon.
Hello, good evening sa tanan. Hi, Pao. Jaman na ako nga des kanimo. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Happy 18th birthday. Thank you for trusting and choosing Precious Touch, Hairdo, and Makeup.
Thank you, Inay Precious.